In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a wall in Planner 5D. First of all, head over to your Planner 5D project, and once you are inside your workspace, move to the area where you want to create the wall. To begin, go to the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Build icon. From there, select the Draw Walls option. Once you activate this tool, you can start creating your wall by clicking on the exact point where you want the wall to begin. After selecting the starting point, move your cursor in the direction where you want the wall to extend. As you move your cursor, you will see the wall being previewed in real time, along with its length measurement, which helps you control the size accurately. When you reach the desired endpoint, simply click again to place the wall. If you want to continue building connected walls, you can keep moving your cursor and clicking at different points to create additional segments. This allows you to easily build full room layouts or more complex structures without switching tools. Once you are finished drawing your wall or structure, press the Enter key on your keyboard to finalize it. After creating the wall, you can make several adjustments to customize it according to your needs. Double-click on the wall to select it, and editing options will appear. If you want to remove a specific section, you can select that part and click on the Delete or Bin icon. You can also adjust the wall's thickness depending on whether you want it to look more like an interior partition or an exterior structural wall. For example, you can make it thicker for a stronger appearance or reduce it to as thin as 5 cm for lighter divisions. In addition to thickness, you can also adjust the length of the wall by clicking and dragging its endpoints. This makes it easy to extend or shorten the wall without recreating it. Another important setting is the height of the wall. You can increase the height if you want the wall to extend to higher levels or even reach another floor. This is useful when designing multi-level structures where certain walls need to connect across floors. To get a better understanding of how your wall fits into the overall design, you can switch to 3D view. This allows you to see the wall in a more realistic environment and helps you identify any adjustments that may be needed. You can always go back to 2D mode to refine the wall further if required. By using these tools and adjustments, you can create walls of any shape, size, and structure based on your design requirements. This gives you complete flexibility in building layouts, whether you are designing a simple room or a complex multi-room house. With these steps, you can easily create and customize walls in your project without any confusion, and this is how you can add a wall in Planner 5D.